welcome back to my YouTube channel. So hi guys, so for today's video I am going to recreate another James Charles look look. So this and yeah, so if you're new here to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated on my new or latest videos. And also please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, and if you're not following me on my social media accounts, please follow me Instagram at Darcy_Varda and Facebook Darcy Varda. And without further ado, let's jump out to the video. So for our foundation, I will be mixing these two foundation, this Sunset and this Havana. Yeah. And I'm going to blend it. Sure. Blend lang. So as you can see, ang puti, but I will going to conceal it using this Everbalena concealer, liquid concealer in this shade medium to dark. Yeah. And just blend. And blend. And blend. Sure. So as you can, I'm not using beauty blender or beauty sponge because my hair is my face is so hairy, and you know it cannot blend very well. Sure. Yeah, I'm telling the truth, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, for our face contour, I will be using this one from Caroline. Yeah. And same as just blend. Setting powder. Set lang. So yeah, after I did everything as for my base, I'm now going to do my key line or my brows. Yeah. So my favorite one, I will be using this BYS for our brows. So I will be using this one, dark one, same shade as my real or natural brows. They are the same color. Yeah. So after you put or apply the powder, you'll see the pigments of your brows. I mean, yeah, the palette. Sure, I don't know what, you know what I'm saying. Just clean it. Just clean the edge of the brow. Let's do the eye. Now let's do the eye. Sure, repetition. Sure. And now we'll start with this one. Yeah. And for the blue one, Caroline. And then this smoky. Yeah. Almost na ako. Sorry, sure. I will cut this. Bye-bye. So I'm done with my eyes and everything, and now I'm going to sure. No, I'm going to do my contour again for contour powder and blush. So yes. You can see I'm almost done, and gonna make this short na lang, almost like that, as usual. And yeah. So let's set the artistry. So now I'm doing the art, yeah, and everything. So I'm using, the palette James Charles and Beauty Glaze palette to create that, or to recreate James Charles. Sure. Sorry. And now for the base paint, I am using Cheek Dark. So I have a short review of Cheek Dark base paint palette. You can watch it on my YouTube channel. Sure. So now I'm doing the Aurora, the Northern Lights. Sure. So just make Aurora. Hey, sure, joke lang. So now we're almost done. And now I'm about to do my lips, my eyes, then my eyeliner, lashes, and everything, and the highlights. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so that's, oh my gosh. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. Hope you like this too, and if you want to see, or if you want more some creative makeup looks, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so that's it. Bye bye, see you in my next video.